We have that message, guys. Look at this. Let me click on home button. Guys, look at this. All scripts are edited successfully. What's up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your official profile on your Roblox on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the R tool. Then we have paste button and automatically we'll get our Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for this Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Okay, let's wait, and boom, guys, now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and we start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, let's see the next step. Okay, nothing happened. And boom, guys, look at this, verification successful. Thank you for passing the double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden and let's test this Delta Executor. So let's see, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have these panels. So let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. We have that message, guys. Look at this. Let me click on home button. Guys, look at this. All scripts are edited successfully. I'm so excited, guys. So that's pretty much it for this review. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.